Welcome to our new tutorial series designed for students preparing for the CASA RPL or PPL exams. Every 2 weeks, we'll tackle a specific problem area. These aren't random topics. They're based on CASA's own data about where students most often struggle. So, what makes these tutorials different? First, they're short and focused, just a bite-sized overview of tricky concepts, not hours of theory. Second, every topic comes directly from CASA's findings, so you know it's relevant. Finally, we want your input. What areas are you finding difficult? What concepts still feel unclear? This is your space to share ideas, and we'll use your feedback to shape future episodes. So let's have a drum roll and kick off episode 1 with something that often puzzles CASA RPL PPL students.
Flight considerations. It's essential to distinguish between turbulence, gustiness, and wind shear. Turbulence refers to rough or disturbed air. Wind shear involves a sudden change in wind speed or direction, either horizontally or vertically. Wind shear can be vertical or horizontal. Vertical wind shear refers to a shift in wind speed and direction with altitude and is expressed in knots per 100 feet. Meanwhile, horizontal wind shear involves wind alterations over horizontal distances and is measured in knots per 1,000 feet. In practice, wind shear often combines both vertical and horizontal elements. When it occurs near the ground, it poses a threat to aircraft during takeoff, initial climb, approach, and landing phases of flight. Such wind shear is categorized as a low-level wind shear.